Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, the most merciful and compassionate. Assalamu alaikum viewers. My name is Naqi Haider Shah and you are watching my channel AAW Knowledge Consultancy channel. So here we are with our third episode, episode 3, which is present perfect tense. Remember my dear viewers, the grammar lectures are separate, episode 1, 2, 3 onwards, and sooner I'm going to start the writing episodes. They will be different. So I have everything for all my viewers. Inshallah, I'm going to try my level best to produce more quality videos and you will love it. So let's take action. Let's be in action for the third episode. What's that? Last time we did discuss the present continuous tense. Now, dear viewers, we're going to discuss present perfect tense. What's that? Present perfect tense. The first step, as you know, my dear viewers, is the identification. How to identify a sentence. When I used to say how to identify a sentence, the symbols, the language I use, Urdu, Hindi, especially for the Asian peoples, Pakistani, Indian, Bengalis, these. Even the Sri Lankan can understand some of the Hindi words. So let's see how we can identify this sentence. This is present perfect tense. Now, if you see, dear viewers, chuka hai, chuke hain. Something has been completed, something has been done. So this is chuka hai, chuke hain. At the last of the sentence, chuka hai, chuke hain. Okay? You got my point? Easy, isn't it? That's next step is how to construct, how to make this sentence. Remember, we use two helping verbs. In this sentence, we will use two helping verbs, has and have. And with the third form of verb, we will use third form of verb with has and have. With has and have. Dear viewers, this is my humble request to you. Take out your notebooks, pens and pencils with you and start writing. Inshallah, you will feel it like a class environment. Okay, now you know that when he, she, it and third person singular comes, we will use has. But we will use has. Yes, of course, we will use has. Now, when we will use this sentence, when we have I, we, they, you, obviously we will use have. We will use have with the third form of verb. Have with the third form of verb. Easy, isn't it? Are you enjoying my lecture? Obviously you are. Thank you. Now, negative sentence. If we have to make a negative sentence, dear viewers, you will see that we will have to use either has not or have not with the third form of verb. With the third form of verb. The last is interrogative, what we used to call interrogative or interrogative. When we have to translate a sentence, interrogative sentence, we start the sentence either with has or have. Either with has or have. So you got my point. I have tried my level best to teach you the principles, the rules in a very convenient and easiest way. Happy? So let's do the practice as usual what we do. 3 positive, 3 negative and 3 interrogative. First sentence is वो अपनी assignment मुकम्मल कर चुका है. वो अपनी assignment मुकम्मल कर चुका है. He has completed his assignment. He has completed his assignment. शैला अपना काम ख़त्म कर चुकी है। शैला अपना काम ख़त्म कर चुकी है। शैला हैज़ finished her work. शैला हैज़ finished her work. Third one is हम बाजार से खरीदारी कर चुके हैं। We have done shopping from the market. We have done shopping from the market. Now we have made 3 positive sentences. Let's start with the negative one. वो अखबार नहीं पढ़ चुका है। वो अखबार नहीं पढ़ चुका है। He has not read the newspaper. He has not read the newspaper. Next one is वो इम्तिहान नहीं दे चुके हैं। वो इम्तिहान नहीं दे चुके हैं। They have not taken the examination. They have not taken the examination. उस्ताद तालिब इल्मों को सबक नहीं पढ़ा चुका है। The teacher has not taught the lesson to students. The teacher has not taught the lesson to students. So, last 3 interrogative. क्या आप अखबार पढ़ चुके हैं? Have you read the newspaper? Have you read the newspaper? क्या मुसाफिर सफ़र पर रवाना हो चुके हैं? क्या मुसाफिर सफ़र पर रवाना हो चुके हैं? Have the passengers departed on a journey? Have the passengers departed on a journey? क्या वो मार्केट से ख़रीदारी कर चुके हैं? क्या वो मार्केट से ख़रीदारी कर चुके हैं? Have they done the shopping from the market? Have they done the shopping from the market? Last one more sentence. क्या नबीला कपड़े सी चुकी है? क्या नबीला कपड़े सी चुकी है? Has Nabila stitched the clothes? Has Nabila stitched the clothes? So you have seen, dear viewers, this is very, very easy and convenient way. So I will expect you that inshallah ta'ala you will follow my lectures in a very sequential manner, and inshallah you will learn it. So with lots of du'as and prayers for you, my dear viewers, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you, health, wealth, all comforts of life throughout your life. Ameen. With lots of du'as, lots of prayers, lots of respect and lots of love to you, my dear. In the end of the day, I have a humble request to you that please, those of you who haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so you can get new videos. If you want, you can like it and share it. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.